Okay guys, here it is. Battery's charged, ready to go. Just thought I'd show you a couple things. I plan on going to scale with this thing. Rope, found chain. Like Sparks said, he had trouble finding chain that would tow it, and he got that other chain worked good. Well, I found this chain. It actually come off of a grandfather clock and holds up really well. I done tried to pull on it, bend it, use pliers to break it apart. I just decided to leave it together. But I am going to get some hooks for it, so it will be more scale. Get a box and a rack and all that for this. So anyway, let's take this thing out and let y'all see what it'll do with that new motor in it. I got to be careful. And I got it on low speed mode right now because y'all will see. Yeah, this thing is fun. It's not no axle or Traxxas, but for me it's fun because I can play with a little bit out here now, play with it inside, and that's all that matters. And this is on low speed. Come on, baby. Well, I'll get a little push in this high grass. Ah, here we go again. I got to glue the drive shafts. I shouldn't have done that. Anyway. We'll get it where I can run it a little fast for you. But yeah, you got to be careful because this thing is not tough by any means. Alright, now I'm going to put it on high speed. It's on high speed. Oh, like I said, woo! Haha, I bet you thought I was going to jump it. No. Anyway, yeah, I thought this thing is pretty cool, man. You turns the motor. It runs really good. I don't think most of the parts that come with it can handle it, but this drive shaft. All right. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's it. But I got my own ESC and stuff in there now too. It's a little 60 amp 7.4. Comes out of the little Sprint or whatever truck that you can buy pretty cheap on the internet. So anyway, it's pretty fun. Just thought y'all might like to see that. Now it's got power. Before, it wouldn't do anything. Y'all know how they come out of the box. All right, fellas. Hit the like, hit the don't like, subscribe, tell me what you think, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Later.